I am putting the tape up for my yellow stripes. I am doing 5-inch stripes, and I'm about to put the tape on for this last one over here. I am actually using my handy dandy quilting ruler because it has this long flat edge here that I can, originally I put it up against this. Except I need to have the numbers correctly. So there's the first white stripe, and then this is a yellow stripe. So this narrow one is the white stripe, and the yellow stripe, the white one. I need to put up my last strip for yellow stripe there. Then I can start going above the window. When I put on the first piece of tape yesterday, and when I pulled it off to realign it, it did pull off some of the paint, so I'm a little worried about this stuff. It was marketed as for freshly painted walls. I'm hoping the paint just hadn't cured or dried enough, so I didn't put on any more until today. So we'll see how this works. Alright, I'm going to start painting these, because from there over I've got to turn the stepladder around. So I will get these painted. We'll see if one coat does it. Then I'll start working on that other corner. First part is done. Oh, send out a prayer that it all comes out okay. The tape comes off okay without pulling off the white tape. So I'm going to turn the ladder around and see what I can get over there. So here we go.